What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and I just literally got this in about 5 minutes ago. It's the new iPhone 16 Pro Max 256 natural titanium. So I'm going to quickly do an unboxing. I'm pretty sure you've seen a million unboxings already, but I just want to do one anyway because I haven't done one in a minute. Let's go ahead and take this off. I'm currently recording with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And there you have it. I love this color. I've seen it in person. I was going to get white, but this one just slightly stood out to me. I didn't want the bronze or whatever color, that new colors that they had. It was kind of boring. I wish it would have came out with an orange or something. But I went with this one. The previous iPhone, like I said, a 14 Pro Max. I got it in black, which I kind of regret because to me black is kind of boring. And for those that say, oh, you just put a case on it, when I do put a case on it, it's usually a clear color, clear case, so I can still see the nice color. So here you go. Take a quick look at it. It is slightly taller than the previous model. And the previous model before that, slightly taller and slightly wider. It feels great in the hand. It actually feels light. I love the titanium finish around. And as you can see, the controversial button for the camera picture taking here. Yep, so far so good. Let's go ahead and boot it up. It's up. And while that's being booted up, let's see what else comes with it. A little cable, lightning cable. Not lightning cable, my bad. Since I'm still on the 14 Pro, I forgot that it does have USB-C now, which is a plus because I got plenty of those lying around. And I really like the design that Apple takes on the new cable. It's more robust and stronger. It is not going to tear or anything like the previous ones. And this Born pamphlet, and like the rumors have stated, it is true, there is no more Apple stickers. Kind of sucks. That was a great tradition for Apple to have. Who knows, maybe if we complain more, they'll bring it back to the other models, but for now there's this. So this is the boot up screen, basically full battery. I'm gonna go ahead and set this phone up to my network. Thanks for watching my video. Leave a comment down below if you pre-ordered the phone or not, or will you be getting one? Will you be upgrading to this model, or be waiting for the 17? Peace out.